Okay. So fifth one, fourth, sixth. Okay. The question is minus 16 x raised to power 8, y raised to power 4, z raised to power 5, minus 20 x raised to power 7, y raised to power 3, z raised to power 4, plus 24, 24 x raised to power 6, y raised to power 2, and z raised to power 3. This is being divided by minus 4 x square, y square, z square. This you understood? This whole is divided by 4. This is first term, second term, third term. Okay, divided by this. Okay, so first step, we will each term will put denominator this one. This divided by this divided by this divided by this. This is clear? So it will be minus 16 x raised to power 8, y raised to power 4, z raised to power 5 divided by minus 4 x square, y square, z square. Okay. Next one, minus 20 x raised to power 7, y cube, z raised to power 4. Okay. Minus 4 x square, y square, z square. This is clear to all?
Yes.
Okay. Plus 24 x raised to power 6, y square, z cube divided by minus 4. Okay. This is clear to all? Yes, that's fine. Okay. This is fine. We have divided each term by minus 4 x square, y square, z square. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to solve this separately. This we have to solve separately. This we have to solve separately. Solving means we have to divide. Okay. So see, I start from there. Minus minus. It will become plus. Okay.
Plus
16 divided by 4. So plus, no need of writing there. No need required. 16 divided by 4.
4.
4. So first we'll divide the constants if there are any.
Sir,
Okay.
4.
Constant term over.
4, 6.
Okay, 1 minute. Just okay. Pay attention here. Let me explain first. Okay. 4. 16 divided by 4. 4. Okay. Now x raised to power 8. X square. Either you write it like this. X raised to power 8 divided by x square into y raised to power 4 divided by
8
y
minus
square. Z raised to power 5 divided by z square. Okay. You may write like this. Okay. 4 into x raised to power 8 minus 2 into
6.
y raised to power 4 minus 2 and z raised to power 5 minus 2. It is 4 x raised to power 6, y raised to power 2, z raised to power 3. This is fine. You may proceed like this. Or since we have done quite good number of questions, we can do it here straight. See here. We can do it straight. Okay. So it's here. We can follow one rule always. Like whenever x, y, z are there, we write them alphabetically. X first, y first, second, then z. Okay. A, B, C are there. We write A first, B then, C then. Okay. We can arrange them alphabetically so that while solving it becomes very easy. Okay. See here x, y, z, 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 x, y, z. Okay. Now what we have to do next? Constant terms we have divided. Okay. Constant terms, work with the constant term is over. Now what is remaining? X is power 8 divided by x square. So from 8, subtract 2. It will be x is to power. You can write straightforward here like this, or you can straightforward write x is to power 6 also. No issues. Y raised to power 4 minus 2. Z raised to power 5 minus 2. Next step, 4 x raised to power 6
X raised to
y square
Y
z
raised to.
cube. This is clear? Okay, Abhinav, please
Yes,
mute
sir.
yourself for time being. Okay, let me explain first. Okay, okay. This is clear. First term is clear to all. We have solved it. Now move to second. Okay, minus minus it will become plus. So now it will be minus minus plus. Okay, 20 divided by 4, 5. 20 divided by 4, 5. Now x raised to power 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. Y raised to power
Sir, it will
3.
Sir, it will
Yes. 734. 734.
Sir, 4 is negative.
Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Okay, if it comes -5, minus will become plus. Afterwards, you can do that. No issues. Or we can do it here only +5. Okay. Have you understood this one? Okay. 3 minus 2. Z raised to power 4 minus 2. Okay. So this will be how much? 5 x raised to power 5. Y raised to power 1. No need of writing that one. Z raised to power 2. Z square. Okay. Now last term plus minus it will be minus. Okay. 24 divided by 4. 6. Okay. X raised to power 6 minus 2. Y raised to power 2 minus 2. Z raised to power 3 minus 2. Okay, it will be -6. X raised to power 4. Y raised to power 2 minus 2 is y raised to power 0. Y raised to power 0 is 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Okay. So no need of writing that one. Into Z. Understood this one?
Yes.
This is clear? Okay. So step by step you can do. Okay. Okay. Next is divide and give the quotient and the remainder. Okay. So till now, see what we have discussed. Monomial divided by monomial. Binomial divided by monomial. Trinomial divided by monomial. Or, okay, more terms divided by monomial. But now we are dividing by binomial. We are going to divide by binomial. Okay. So some few things we have to take care while dividing by a binomial. Okay. So I'll take one question. Okay. Take from okay exercise only I'm taking and pay attention here how we are going to divide that. Okay. Few things we have to take care. Okay. So now we are going to divide by binomial. What does binomial means? Two terms will be there. Two terms will be there like a plus 3, 2x plus 9, 3x plus 2y. Like these terms will be there. Okay. So binomial expression will be dividing by binomial. Okay. So for example, I'm taking fourth first. Okay. A square minus 15a plus 54. This is being provided. So it is trinomial. Three terms are there. 1, 2, 3. It is divided by a minus x. A minus x. Okay. So we are dividing trinomial by binomial. See here two terms are there, a minus x. Okay. Few things we have to take care. So first we'll arrange in which order? See here. This expression, take this expression and arrange in descending order of the powers. Okay. So first the term having highest power must come. So which is having highest power? A square 15a or 54. A square minus 15a or 54. Which is having highest power? We are considering a power. A square power we are considering. So a square will come first. Okay. A square. Then its next power will be minus 15a plus 54. Okay. This is how we have arranged the given expression in ascending order of the powers of A. Okay. So in this question, do we require to arrange? It is already arranged. It was already arranged. It was already in descending order of the powers of A. So we do not require to arrange it. If it is not given, if it is not arranged, we have to arrange. For example, it would have been given like this. 54 plus a square minus 15a. Okay. This time, if this is given, we have to first arrange it in descending order of the powers of a. So first a square will come, then minus 15a, then plus 54. So first we have to check whether the given expression is in descending powers of the particular variable or not. Okay. This is clear to all? This is clear too. So dividend, check it once. Yes, it is already in power. It is already in descending order. So we don't have to arrange it. Okay. Now check with the divisor. Is it already as well arranged? This must be in descending order of the powers of A. This should also be in descending order of powers of A. It is as well. A raised to power 1, A raised to power 0 here. It is already arranged. If this is arranged, so we'll move to next step. Okay. First, these both must be arranged in descending order. If not, then we must arrange. Okay. Next one, this is the divisor. A minus 6 will write. Now we'll follow the simple division. A square minus 15A plus 54. You can see how the power is descending. 2 power, 1 power, 0 power. 1 power, 0 power. A raised to power 1, A raised to power 0. This is clear. Now, as we divide the numbers, we divide the same way. Because these variables are nothing but numbers only. They are going to take the numbers. So, as we divide the numbers, we'll divide them as well. So, what will come as question first? A into A. A into A is A square. Yes or no? A will be question first. A into A square. Now, A square, A into A square. Now, minus 6 into A, minus 6A. Okay, this is clear. So here, now subtract them, minus plus. This is 0. Minus 15A plus 6A. How much it is coming? 9A. As we do with the numbers, same way we have to divide with these expressions, these variables. This is clear to all? Okay. 9A. Now, what should be multiplied with? So that we can get 9A. 9. A into 9, 9A. Okay. Now, this whole multiply with 9. A into 9, 9A. Minus 6 into 9. Oh,
Yes.
1 minute. Here it is minus. Minus 9, 1 minute.
But
Minus 9A will come. Minus 15A plus 6A. Okay. Minus 9A. Sorry for that. So A into minus 9, minus 9A. Okay. Now, minus 6 into minus 9 plus 54. Okay. Subtract them. Minus. It will be plus. It will be minus. Okay. Minus 9A plus 9A. 0. Plus 54 minus 54. 0. So how much is the remainder? 0. Okay. 0 is the remainder. And what is the
Yes.
question? A minus 9. This is clear? A minus 9 is the question. Okay.
Correct.
Now, yes, any doubt?
Can you explain this again? So can you
Okay,
explain this again?
I will explain it again. Okay, pay attention here. Okay. So first of all, what should we pay attention? These both expression must be in descending order. Descending order means descending order of the powers of A. Okay. Once check it whether it's in descending order of the power of A. So what is the power of A here? 2. What is the power of A here? 1. What is the power of A here? 0. So is it in descending order? Yes, it is in descending order, so we won't change. If it is not in descending order, we will arrange it in descending order of A. Okay, in the descending order of the powers of variable. Okay, check this one. What is the power of A? 1. What is the power of A? 0. So this is also as well arranged. It is already arranged in descending order of the powers of A. Therefore, we won't make any change. Okay. If it is not in arrangement, we will arrange it in descending order the powers of the variable. This is clear. First step. Always remember this one. Okay. It's already arranged. Now, how we divide numbers? If I give you 135 divided by 9, how you are going to divide? First to check 9 ones are 9. Subtract them.
4.
45. Now you check 9 5s are. You check it 9 5s are 45. Like this you do. Same way we are doing with the variables because variables represent numbers. They are going to be numbers only. So same method we are going to apply to these expressions. Okay. So divisor a minus 6. Dividend a square minus 15a plus 15. Okay. We have already arranged in descending order. Already arranged.
54, not 15.
Yes, 15 that was there. 54. Okay. 54. Okay. Okay. Now take first. What should be multiplied with a to get a square or something near to it? Into a? A into a
Sir,
square.
A only, A only.
Ah, a only. A into a square. Okay. Now multiply this a into a square. Minus 6 into minus 6a. Understood
minus
this one?
6a.
A into a square. This whole will multiply with this. A into a square. Minus 6 into a minus 6a. Okay.
Minus 6a.
Now subtract them. So it will be minus, it will be plus. A square minus a square. A square minus a
0.
square, 0. Minus 15a plus 6a.
Minus 9a.
Minus
Sir,
9a.
minus
Minus 9a. Okay, this we have what? Now, what should we multiply with to get minus
9.
9a?
Minus 9.
Minus 9. Minus 9. A into minus 9. Minus
Minus
9a.
9a.
A into minus 9, 9a. Minus 9a. Minus 6 into minus 9
Plus 54.
plus 54. Subtract them, it will be plus, here will be minus. So minus 9a plus 9a, 0.
0.
54 minus 54, 0. It's 0. So what is the question? A minus 9. What is the question? A minus 9. And how to verify it? It means if you multiply divisor and quotient, we will get dividend, yes or no? Since remainder is 0, so if we multiply a minus 6 and a minus 9, we must get this one. Okay, check it once. Open the bracket a minus 9 minus 6, a minus 9, a square minus 9a, minus 6a plus 54, a square minus 15a plus 54. Hence verified. Same answer we are getting. If remainder would have been there, we had added remainder. Okay. Have you understood this one?
Sir, what saying?
Yes.
Sir, in first step, when sir we subtracted it.
Where? Here. It's same as division you do. Division. Okay, if it is 54 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4. 1 4. 4 3 are 12 you do. Remainder is 2 like this. So same way we are doing a minus 6, we are dividing this one. So a is a into a square. Now this whole multiply with a into a square, minus 6 into minus 9. Okay, minus 6 into a, minus 6a. Now subtract them. So it will be minus, minus will become plus. Okay, subtract them. This is clear. Okay, try do the second one. Okay, you do it second one. I'll do afterwards. Okay, everyone do the second one. I'll do after 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, everyone do the second one. So first step, what you have to do, you have to check the powers of x. Okay, and arrange in descending order. If it is not arranged, arrange in descending order. Okay, everyone do the second one in your notebook. I'll do after 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, x square plus 4x plus 6. Okay, we are dividing by x plus 2. Okay, so first check whether it is in descending order of the power of x. Here power is 2, here power is 1, here it is 0. It is already arranged. Similarly, check with this one. Power is 1, here power is 0. So it is also arranged. Since they are arranged, now proceed. Okay, after 2 minutes, I will start. Proceed. Okay, everyone do it. Okay, so divide and then verify your answer. We have to verify as well. Okay, do the second one. X square plus 4x plus 6 divided by x plus 2. So first check whether it's in descending order or not. Then only, if not, then we have to arrange it and proceed. Okay, everyone have solved? Have you solved it? Okay, then pay attention here now. See here. Already arranged in a descending order to the power of x, 2, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, now we write it like this. Okay, now forget about this, forget about this. Okay, x into x will give us x square. This is clear? X into x, x is there. Okay, I put x here. Now multiply the whole. Okay, x into x will give us x square. Okay, now multiply this whole expression with x. X into x, x square, plus 2 into x, plus 2x. Subtract it, minus, minus, x square 0, 4x minus 2x, 2x. Okay. Now check x into what? Plus 2. X into 2. Now we'll multiply with this one. X into 2, 2x. Plus 2 into 2, plus 4. Okay. Plus 4 you get. Okay. Now minus, minus. This is 0 and this is 6 minus 4, 2. So you are getting quotient as x plus 2, remainder as 2, and divisor as x plus 2. Okay. Now
X plus
how to verify the answer? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder
plus
Divisor
reminder.
plus remainder. Okay. Find it using this one. So it will be what? Dividend must be equal to, okay, x plus 2 into x plus 2 plus 2. So first multiply them. X plus 2 plus 2, x plus 2 plus 2, x square plus 2x plus 2x plus 4 plus 2, x square plus 4x plus 6. You are getting the same answer, same dividend you are getting. That means you have done it correctly. We have verified our answer. Is this clear to all? Anyone who have doubt? Okay, then do the third one. Everyone do the third one. We'll be a bit slow with this exercise, okay? Do the third one. Everyone do the third one. Okay. One more thing, look at here, see how the powers are decreasing. 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, okay? One by one they are decreasing, okay? Do the next one. Everyone have understood this one? Anyone have doubt? Who haven't understood? These are very important. Anyone who haven't understood? Okay, then do the next one. Everyone do it in your notebook. M square minus 3m minus 10. M square minus 3m minus 10 by, it is dividing by m minus 5. M minus 5. First check, are they arranged? Power is 2, 1, 0. Already arranged. 1, 0. Already arranged. Okay. So m square minus 3m minus 10. Okay. So forget about these two terms. This one. M into m. Okay. Solve it after 1 minute. I'll start. It is m into m square. M into m square minus 5 into m minus 5m. So it will be minus, it will be plus. Okay. 0 minus 3m plus 5m plus 2m. Okay. M plus 2. Okay. Now multiply this with 2. M into 2, 2m. Minus 5 into 2, minus 10. Okay. Minus plus. So 0 minus 10 plus 10, 0. Okay. Check your answer as well. Verify it. Verify it. Dividend must be equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, everyone is able to solve?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Try fourth. Try fourth. So who hasn't solved the third one yet? Who is not able to solve the third one yet? Anyone in class? Okay, try next one. And do attend all the classes properly, okay? Don't miss any class. Okay, next one. X square plus 3x minus 8. We have to divide it by x minus 2. X square, here all are in x square plus 3x. How much it was? So plus 3x minus 8 divided by x minus 2. Okay, it is already arranged in descending order of the powers of x. X square plus 3x minus 8. Okay, everyone solve it. Solve it, everyone. So first term, x into x square, minus 2 into x, minus 2x. Okay, minus plus 3x plus 2x, 5x. Okay, so plus 5. X into x, x into 5, 5x, minus 2 into 5 plus minus 10, minus plus 0, minus 8 plus 10, Everyone have got? Okay, solve the rest too as well. Fifth as well, try solving. Sixth as well. So you can solve fourth, fifth and sixth. Solve fourth and fifth. Always you have to check whether they are in descending order of the powers or not. Okay, always you have to check. Okay, see in fifth question, fourth question, fifth and sixth part you can do. Fourth question, fifth and sixth part you can do. See in fifth question, divide and give the quotient and remainder. Here, dividend is arranged, but divisor is not arranged. It is 1 plus 2m. You have to arrange it in ascending order of the power. So it will be 2m plus 1. Okay. So from fifth onwards, we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. Complete fifth and sixth. Okay. Complete fifth and sixth. Okay. Those who have completed, they can leave the class. We stop here. And tomorrow we start from fifth question. Okay. So fourth question, you complete. Okay. You all have left very early. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all.